Welcome, my name is an LG K62 Plus, and today I'll show you how to transfer files from the phone to an SD card or vice versa. And to get started, you will want to open up the Files application, which is located in the Google folder right here. So it's right over here. Once you open it up, if it wants access to storage and stuff like that, grant it. And from there you want to scroll down to your internal and SD card. Now I'm going to start off with the internal storage, which is the storage of the phone itself, and mention a couple of folders that are here that might be important to you. So number one, it is the DCIM folder, which will contain pictures, videos that I have captured on this phone. Then below that we have a downloads folder, which will contain anything that I have downloaded, obviously. And below, somewhere lower, we have the pictures folder, which contains screenshots, which also is where the files that I will be using are located. So once you find your files, what you want to do is select them, and you do so regardless of what kind of file it is. The process is the same, so it could be a folder, video, music, picture. You basically select it by holding it. As you can see, it will get checked, and then you have those empty circles beside the rest of the files, so you can just simply tap on them quickly to select more. Now, once you selected your files, tap on the three dots and choose to either move them or copy them. I'm gonna go with the move option. Once you select one of those, it will give you the pop-up right here to move them, or the option where you want to move them. So you have the internal storage or SD card, so you can move it somewhere else on your phone or to a completely different storage type, which is what I'm going to be doing. And in here, SD card has basically the same folders, so I could either navigate into one of those folders and drop the pictures in there, or I can just tap move here and this will drop it just straight up to the SD card. So let's just continue, allow, and there we go. So now if I go to the SD card, you will be able to see the pictures right at the bottom, and there they are. And that is how you move any kind of file from one place to another. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.